Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar City. Today we'll see one of the topic that is Snowflake cost management. If you see the Snowflake snow site, you'll get the details like spending currency, spending credits, compute price credit. Okay, see now we'll discuss how we'll get these details with the help of SQL query in detail. So with the help of SQL query, how we are getting these values, we'll see in detail. Okay, let me log into snow site 1 second. Okay, this is my snow site UI. If you scroll down, see what happens. So they get mentioned. So dollar $10 credits left. Okay, I'm using Snowflake free account. So Snowflake by default giving how many credits? 400 credits. But I consumed $390 and $10 are left. Okay. Now how to check $390? We can able to see in detail. Okay. So go to admin or go to cost management. If it's here, what happened? Select the last 30 days or last 90 days. If you see, totally I have spent $390, 131, $100. Okay, let me help you with the same with the help of query, then you can able to understand. Okay, so duplicate this session. Okay, so you open SQL worksheet. Okay, see SQL worksheet. Now let me query. Now what's the query? So see select. So what's the requirement? So by using query, I want to find the total credits. Okay, select start from. So what is the table? Snowflake is the database dot account usage is the schema dot. So warehouse. So warehouse metering history. So this will be useful for getting the warehouse consumption. Okay, see Snowflake dot account usage dot warehouse metering history. Now I want to get is 131. How we are getting this value? See by using this query. Snowflake is the database. Account usage is the schema. So warehouse metering. This is the view. So this is the fully qualified name. So limited. Now, which column we should see? The column name is what? So credits used. Okay, so we should use this credits. Okay, so copy the column name. Okay, so we need to check the same thing. So Control C and Control V. Now I want to get, so how to get total? We should go for, okay, sum of credits. The sum of credits. Now tell me if we do some addition, it's not but addition. Now how much giving 131.44. Okay. Now I want to round to 2 digits. How to round to 2 digits by using round function. Okay. So round Pascal concept. Round comma 2. Now see what exactly see it is giving 131.4544. Okay, now see a little bit variation is there. This no worries. Okay, see the concept is that what how we are getting this warehouse consumption by using what? So by using warehouse metering history. So sum of credits. Okay, we can able to make it work. Now this is so far good. Now point is that now what is 390? How we are getting this 390? This is the credits. But how we are getting this 390? Simply 131.61 into multiply with $3. Okay, see. So right now these are the credits. But credits, however, they are calculating with the help of dollars. Okay, so copy the same thing. So Control C. Okay, see, this is the same thing, Control C. Now multiply with 3. Okay, so put, okay, spend in credits. How to get the spaces? By using double quotes. I'm trying to replicate the same query. Okay, so spend in credits. Next one is that what? Spend in currency. So put double quotes. Okay, see. Now what's the requirement? See, by using what? See, 131.44 is the credits. This is the dollar. Okay, almost like a little bit variation. See, there will be refreshing something. Okay. See, this is the functionality. So by using Snowflake dot account usage dot warehouse metering history, we can able to achieve the same thing. But see, this is so far good. We are mentioning 3. But when you when you see this one more account, I'm going for one more account. See, cost management. See now what exactly now go for 3 months. See it's showing 3.7, but here showing what it's showing what showing 3. Oh, why it's showing 3? Why it's showing 3.7? Anybody can able to tell? Here you need to understand is that what? So this $3, $4 based on what? Based on Snowflake pricing. Let me go to Snowflake pricing. See, now click on pricing options. See, when you scroll down, see what exactly, see, they mentioned, so standard, enterprise, business critical, and VPS. Now, which one I am using, we should go and confirm. Now go to our Snowflake account. So go to this account. See, now I am using what? So which edition I'm using? See, I'm using the enterprise edition. Okay, see, enterprise edition. So far good. Same thing now, which cloud I'm using? AWS cloud. So AWS cloud is the AWS cloud. Got the pointer. So this is the AWS cloud. Okay, see, go to AWS cloud. Now we need to check the region. Which region we are trying to point in? 1 second. So which region I'm in which region? See, if you see, I'm in which region? Okay, see, edition is enterprise edition, cloud is AWS. So close it. Now if you click on see what happened, again click the same thing. So go to account. Now in which region? I'm in US East, North Virginia. Okay, so if we go here, what happened? AWS cloud. So Snowflake support 3 clouds: AWS, Azure, and GCP. AWS cloud, US, North Virginia. So I'm charging $3. But when you go for other account, see the same thing. So go to the same functionality. Now here charging 3.7. We should check why it's okay. Go here. So where which region? So AWS cloud, Asia Pacific, Singapore. Okay, let me go here. Asia Pacific, Singapore. When I go for Singapore, what happened? Credits are 3.7. Got the pointer. That's why. So this is charging 3.7. That's why this is charging what? So $3. Got the pointer. So based on the region, based on the cloud, this credits will be consumed. So hope this is clear. So simple thing. So see, Snowflake dot account usage, warehouse metering, get the credit use. How to get in currency, where we need to check, go to pricing options, select the database. Okay, select the region or cloud, which cloud and which region. So based on this, DARL will be calculated. Got the point? Simple thing. So go here. So like this only, we need to check it. Okay, 390, 131, what exactly. So this is it with if answer. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.